Hey everyone, Amanda here. A few days ago I had paid for a new box and it just arrived today. It was guaranteed by tomorrow, but I got it today. I just want to show you what it is. It's Pokemon Rumble. Pretty cool, I think. I know a lot of these cards are like absolutely not playable, but however, I don't play the game, I just collect. I saw this and thought, how cool would it be to have something like this in my hands and in my possession. So, while I work on opening the box, okay, it's okay, look ahead. Come on, my dog. Come on, baby, up up. My dog's trying to get up. Come here, Cleo. No, baby. I've never seen this before in all my years of knowing about Pokemon. So, I'm actually really excited to open this. The trash out of the way. It comes with 3 promo cards as Mewtwo, a Venusaur, and a Pikachu. Let's just see here what it gives me. Looks like inside here we have some whatever they are. I have no idea. The setup page. Looks like it can be played on a game console or online. I have damage counters and the rulebook. Here's the playmat. Not that I'll ever play it, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. If you guys are interested in this or any of the others, comment or message me and message me your address and I will send it to you. Just like with my other playmats. I will not give away my Leafy on that, so do not ask. But I will give away my other one. Some I don't know if we can fall out, but these little dice here there's 4 of them, and here's this whatever. Like I said, if you guys are interested, let me know and I'll send these to you. So I don't think I'm gonna keep them. Lucy? 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 Come here! Come on, Pups! Sorry, my dogs were trying to bark. Come on, Pups! Anyway, here's the Mewtwo card. They're all hollow. Here's the Venusaur. With the Dratini in the background. You can see the Dratini right there. And here is Pikachu with Vulpix and Magikarp. Okay. And here's the pack. Going right there. Possibly. So there are 19 cards, so there's no trick to doing this. I'm just going to go right through them. I can get this stupid thing open. But I'm gonna got it. It looks like we have a little bent. We have Fidel, Rattata, Bastiodon, Skuntank, Lucario. I think the artwork on this is just hilarious. I mean, seriously, who draws like this? Diglett, Mew, really adorable Zapdos with the Golbat. I love this Gyarados. Starmie, Heatran, Ninetales, and Cherum. Well, anyway, those are the cards, and I know there's another school thingy here. Oh well, I'm sure I'll find it. Well, anyway, that's it for that. I don't really have anything coming in the near future. I haven't seen anything come out yet. Oh wait, no, I have seen the White Karen and that Karen boxes. I won't be able to get them until next week. So keep on the lookout for those in the next, maybe 2 weeks. Sorry, cat got on the computer. So yeah, 2 weeks till I could probably get those. And anyway, thanks for watching.